That's one entrance I got right here, guys. I leave space because I don't have to go all the way in the front to get in. That means I get in from here. Oh, I need to bring some water here. Those little things will be happy. Yeah, let me trim those one. Yeah, I just use my entrance. I'm going to get my scissor and then come here and cut everything. And yeah, that's it. That's what's happening. Look at this nice section right here. And I put this thing right there on the back for it to be taken right here. I hope this can take roots when I come back from my vacation. I will put them out. But so far, yeah. Let me go get this scissor, guys, to clear out some stuff. Look at some cutting. I make cutting everywhere, everywhere. This part looks dry. I don't know if tomorrow I will come and try. Oh. No more snacks on the garden. On the front garden. No, I just have a guava because the snacks though. I just eat one guava on the front. Yeah. Let me go on the back to find my stuff to clean that thing over there.